Good evening everyone. Yesterday we have looked through how to install Kali Linux and Metasploit and other labs. Today we are going to uh, make updates in Kali Linux and some basic tools and what is recognition, what is information gathering, and see everything in detail. Okay. First, start the Kali Linux. It takes a few minutes. Just being it. Okay. Card information is active and enter the password. Now we have to update the card machine. For that, you want to use the command sudo apt update. You can update through this command, or you can go to root user and update update the card machine. For that, root user, the terminal will be changed to red. This root user is highest privileges in Kali Linux. Such way we don't need to give password each and every time. So one-time access can do everything in Kali machine. So now we're going to give a apt. So previous time we used sudo apt update. Now we are in root privileges, so we don't need to put sudo. So just give apt update. It starts on updating, downloading the resource file from the official Kali website and update it. Then we need to upgrade the updated version of it. Such way we will be in the updated standard for every software that is built in Kali machine. Now it is upgraded. So now going to upgrade the Kali machine. Such way, if you are in the main terminal, you have to use sudo apt upgrade. But this command you will use. But we are in root privileges, the highest privileges in Kali machine, so we are going to use apt upgrade. You click on Y and press enter. It takes few minutes, so please be patient. This will take a few minutes, so please be patient. The packets are updated. Why we are using this sudo apt update and upgrade? Because we need to get the latest version for every software that is pre-built in Kali Linux, such as each and every time there will be a new exploits will be happening in current vulnerability. The zero-day vulnerability will be getting expanded. So each and every vulnerable, they will update the Metasploit tools or the Nmap tools. They will update their software in their website, and they publish it. So such way we can get their updates, and we can also use it to find the vulnerability in other machines. Such way we are updating the Kali machine or any softwares we are update so for security reasons. Um, Okay, before going to introduction of the tools, now we'll see what is ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is uh, legally legally finding the vulnerabilities and and exploiting the machine and giving the details how we went to try and patching the vulnerable way of the machine. So there are 5 stages of ethical hacking. Uh, the first stage is recognition phase. Recognition is just an information gathering phase, gathering information of the target and finding finding the vulnerability where we can go through where we can go into their system. Scanning phases, scanning what and all ports are available, what and all opens way that we can go attack their system. Gaining access is accessing their system and getting some accessing a through scanning. We will gain access to their system. Maintaining access phases. If we got the access and The next phase is maintaining access phase. The maintaining access phase is if you got the access from the of the victim's computer, we need to maintain their connection between the victims and our computer. So we will initiate change the payloads or any other things to another directory that will be active for 24 by 7, so that we can maintain their access. If the victim has a shutdown and restart the PC, the access will be cut off. So if we change the payload to some other set of some other set, such as if we are got access and the through payloads, and we change the payload to Windows Explorer payload to Windows Explorer in background. Such way, every time the PC starts, Windows Explorer also starts. So such way we can get the access for 24 by 7. Covering of the track phase. Next phase is covering of track phase. Covering of track phase is we got into the victim's computer and we got the access and we maintain the access and we send the report. After that, we need to clear the tracks where we went through and what and all where we what and all some unwanted files we left. We have to delete that unwanted files. Such way the victims won't find that we have attacked, that the victim had been active. So these are 5 stages. The 5 stages are recognition phase, scanning phase, gaining access phase, maintaining access, and covering of the tracks. In scanning, in recognition phase, there are two ways. One is active recognition and passive recognition. Active recognition is directly integrated with the target to gather information about the target. Example using Nmap tools, Metasploit, and Burpsuit, etc. Many tools are there in the market, the pre-built tools. Passive information is trying to collect information about the target without directly accessing the target. This involves collecting information from social media, public websites, and etc. Such way we won't get directly attacked. We don't attack directly the victim's computer, gain the information. We will gather information publicly available. The victim left some information, public phone numbers, email IDs, etc. Some sensitive information in socially from Google or any other platform. Such way we gather information and try to exploit using active information gathering phase. Okay, some of the first we will go through passive information phase. Some of the passive information are okay. Some passive information is publicly available in internet. So we want to find an email address of some organization or and victim. We go to phone book dot cz. Phonebook.cz and Actually, this website is not currently not working. Okay. For example, okay. This this is publicly available. We are going to intelligentx.com. This is actually a paid version of it. Phonebook.js is open a free version. This is paid version. So such way we don't get many information in this website. If you type tesla.com or some other website as per what you required, we will get many information from it. Email IDs, phone numbers, public IP addresses, and maybe sometimes we get the passwords also. These are highlighted. Some sensitive information will be there. Such way we have to. This is only for paid version. The information are only available for pro. That's a paid version. That is more expensive. So majorly they won't use this website. These are there are some websites in internet that will give you information about each and every company or an individuals. Hunter.io. It's also an it's also open free and paid version of getting information of the email ID information. Uh, these you have to register to company email ID, and this will be a big process. So it will take more time to do this. Next, some of the information gathering sessions are available in Kali Linux, such as Sublister, Derb, Nikto. They are all available in Kali machines. For such as use Sublister. Currently, it's not package is not downloaded, so I am downloading the package of a Sublister and installing it. Now, Sublister icon help means that will give you the help menu. Say Sublister hyphen d some websites. Uh, this Sublister tool searches in every website such as Baidu, Yahoo, Google, Bing, Ask, Netcraft, and you can get information publicly information through this tool inbuilt in Kali machines. For example, this given me Sublister device. Actually, it says it's not some errors in this DNS themselves. Okay, next tool is DNS dumpster. DNS dumpster not installed. Okay, DNS dumpster is not installed, so we are going to next to what web. What web is also gathering information, publicly available information. Uh, we have to give what web hyphen help. Such way it will show what command will give you what results. Uh, So what web yeah. Okay. See, it's what web use the 200 is the website can the send package can reach the website such way it is active and publicly active. That means a public person can access to their main servers. Country is United States, HTTP servers GWS, and title is Google. The header is explain is same origin, etc. The and see for Tesla.com it says 403 error. 403 error is some kind of error reaching our website, but it gives the publicly available information such as IP addresses, the public IP, not a private IP, it is a public IP, um, and HTTP server, who is running HTTP servers, etc. There will be many some information that will be available in publicly that will give given to us. Uh, email harvester. Harvester is a tool to harvest emails. It is installed. No, it's not installed. Yeah, harvester is installed. I can help. This is one card. This is Harvester is used to gather a publicly available website or email ID, email addresses for -D for domain, -D and website available as far as so no email is found. Then publicly available emails are been they have been deleted or make the patches in the websites that the email ID should be leaked to other public source because it is a security thing. So they will make sure every security measures up to date. Some other any company you can also check to this command ask harvester command. Okay, now we'll go to active information gathering phase. For this, I'm going to use Nmap tool. Active is directly attacking a machine, directly scanning a machine. That is, we are connected to their network and scan the network. So how much devices are there, what and all we can access, and what and all ports are open. By this method is called as active information gathering. Okay, now first we have to find the IP address. config set. Config. This is our IP address 10.0.2.10. This is our PC server address. If we connected to a network, use nmap command and our IP address in subdomain, not our complete IP address. I'm giving our subdomains /24. That means inside 24 network, how much PCs are there, it will be shown to us. It will take to 1 or 2 minutes, and depending upon how much network how much PCs are there in the network. Now currently I have only 2 PCs, but it's taking very long time. Okay, see, in this is a PC with the IP address of 10.0.2.11, and we are a PC of 10.0.2.11. That this 2.11 is actually not other than Metasploit machine. We have started the Metasploit machine to show you how Nmap scan will be working. Otherwise, if we connected to any other, if we are in an organization and we connected to their network, using this command nmap and the subdomain number, we can get how much PCs are there and how much are currently online, and we can know how much ports are open, how they are secured or not. This is currently actually a weak vulnerable. It's a vulnerable machine. Such way we can exploit this machine and find information. So using Metasploit. We are not using any other Windows tools. Windows or Kali Linux. We are using Metasploit to find out. We use Nmap to get the information about the Nmap. Now, if you give Nmap we find the vulnerable machine's IP address. This is the vulnerable machine's IP address. So now we will find what and all ports are there. It's actually shown the ports, but for using find how many ports are there, use command -p. -p stands for ports that are available in that network, and that the PC's IP address .2.11. Sorry, Nmap, not Nmap. Sorry, my mistake. Nmap. Okay, it's rejecting the packets. Okay. The firewall is actually rejecting the P number packet, so port number packet. So we are going to add some additional commands. Such way we can skip the firewall and directly go to their network. It will take a few minutes. See, if I given okay, this is a subdomain. I given subdomain. I didn't give the specific IP. So this is one IP address, such as sometimes it will be routers, or this is Windows machines IP address, and this is gateway. 0.1 is 2.1 is a gateway. Always number 1 stands for gateway. The gateways packets will go to the gateway and reach the other system or any other routers and etc. This machine is virtual machine's IP address, and this is the Metasploit's IP address. So we can find these much ports are open because it is a vulnerable machine. These much packets are open. If it is not a vulnerable machine, one or two packets according to their services it will be open. Not every packet, every port will open. Such as if the computer is transferring FTP, the file transfer, it only opens port 21. Not these packets won't be opened. If the PC is having SSH connection, then this number is open. Telnet connection, this number is open. HTTP web service running, then this connection. HTTPS 443 will be running. So according to each and according to their requirement, port will be open. Not every port will be open every time. This is vulnerable machine, so every ports are open. So now we will find the service version. This is services. Now we are going to find the version of what service is running in there. For that we are going to use the command nmap -pn for skipping the pin process, and service version sb. Okay. This -sb giving we can find the if HTTP and HTTP version. This running in VSF TPD 2.3.4. If we go to internet and search for this vulnerable such as exploit DB, this is a database for exploits that are currently available in the market, and we will search for what's let's see. That's it. Okay. VSF TP VSF TP 2.3.4. Okay. Yeah, these are the vulnerabilities that are available in market. This vulnerable is from 2021-04. This they're given how to get access, how to attack this victim machine. If the victim machine is running VSFTP 2.3.4 with this payload, with this Python script, this is a Python script. With this Python script, you can get access to their access to their FTP server and gain access to your documents that are transferring. They are permitted to transfer to VSFTPD. So this method, this way, we will find the vulnerabilities and exploit the vulnerable victim's machine. One way, this is OpenSSH, another port, OpenSSH port. In this port, we will go to internet and search this port. This OpenSSH 4.7.4. There will be some, because it's vulnerable machine, so there will be some Python script they are uploaded in exploitdb or any other server. We can get the Python code and attack the victim machine and get access to it. If the reason why I am saying this, if you are not updating your softwares or any other devices up to date, then you might be vulnerable to get attacked by hackers or the third party associations. So being updating a software is mandatory Such way, if we updated the software, there won't be any Python script or exploits available in the market, so no one can get attack. No one can attack you. Such way, you are safe from the cyber world. Now, next command nmap st. ST stands for TCP ports. There are two ports, the TCP type and UDP type. These are the open ports in TCP. These are open ports are available in the TCP ports are these are open TCP ports. If you use -SU, then it will be UDP ports. It's taking a long time because there will be no UDP ports are open currently, I think so. So it's taking a long time to scan. 60%, it will take a long time. So I'm going to cancel this process, and now we'll go to next tool, Nikto tool. Nikto is currently installed in Kali. I don't know. It is installed in Kali Linux. So I'm going to introduce something about Nikto. I can help or a man page. If you don't know about the tool, just give a manual page. A man page is called manual page of each and every tool. If you are giving a man and nmap and give enter, it will show each and every thing. What is -PO stands for -V stands for verbose, -A aggressive scans. Aggressive scan in detail. These options it will give in the aggressive is very important scan. It will majorly use this scan to do every task in 1 second. Every task in one command. So we'll use -A, -D what. So manual page there will be in every tool there will be a manual page. Such way we can use it. We can find what we if we need any help in that particular tool. We can get the information in manual page. For example, man Nikto. It will give information about what is Nikto and what are all commands, and each command what is the purpose and everything. Now we'll go into Nikto -help. -help stands for what are all commands. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Just Nikto and the IP address. Sorry. Hyphen. It's not showing. Yeah. -URL. URL is the website URL. if that victim machine is running a web server, then -URL and the victim machine's IP address will get the information about what and all actively attacking and victim machine and getting information, such as it's running a PHP version 5.2.1, 2.4, Apache server 2.2.8. This Apache server will find in a Nmap scan. Nmap scan even it will show what Apache versions. Wait. HTTP, not Apache is running. Yeah, Apache is not showing it, but it will show us. For example, if you go and type that IP address, then .2.11 and go see Metasploitable 2. These are PHP versions there, WebDev, DBA, etc. Many web services running in single machine. So using Nikto tool, it shows what and all website Apache, everything in a single scan. Many things won't show this much information. This is vulnerable machine, so it will show every information. Okay, today I'm going to winding off. Currently, any doubts and any related questions, please put in chat box. Today's session is over.